You need to go out, I need to go out, everyone need to go out so that they can find themselves. And हर बार हम ही सही नहीं होते हैं. हमें लगता है कि हमने जो सोच लिया या फिर हमने ज़िंदगी देखी है या समटाइम्स बड़े लोग बोलते हैं, द ओल्डर पीपल से, कि हमें ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. It doesn't work like that. Hi everyone, this is Mansi and in this video we are going to discuss why you should go out more and stop being stuck in your room. So first of all, as simple as it sounds, and it is actually the most important point, that you get to connect with nature. By connecting with nature, you will discover parts of yourself which you didn't even know existed. And basically, change in your environment can get you out of a slump. Look, when we are constantly in a same environment, we tend to be more lazier. This is basically a human psychology, and that's how humans work from the ancient history. The more you stay at one place, the more your brain will be foggier and you will not have much ideas to yourself, and it will be all going to be just ideas of other people, of social media. Just basically you are going to get a brain fog there. And one thing which happens when you go out is that you meet many people. Then you get to understand their behavior and their perspective on life. So जब तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ तुम्हारा पर्सपेक्टिव होता है तो बेसिकली वो एक बहुत नैरो सी चीज़ हो जाती है. पर जब अपन बाहर जाएंगे, लोगों से मिलेंगे, लोगों की बातें सुनेंगे, तो जो आपको दूसरे लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव मिलेगा, इट विल बी सो हेल्पफुल. नाउ यू विल सी वर्ड फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट लेंस, फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट लाइट, फ्रॉम समवन एल्सेस पर्सपेक्टिव. एंड यू नो व्हाई दिस इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज हर बार हम ही सही नहीं होते हैं. हमें लगता है कि हमने जो सोच लिया या फिर हमने ज़िंदगी देखी है या समटाइम्स बड़े लोग बोलते हैं, द ओल्डर पीपल से, कि हमें ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. एक्सपीरियंस किसी भी एज में किसी को भी कितना भी हो सकता है. यू डोंट नीड टू बी ओल्डर टू हैव मोर एक्सपीरियंस. सो मीट न्यू पीपल सो यू हैव डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. So whenever you want to take a decision, you know that what that person would have choose in this situation, and now you have options and many more thoughts to pick up from. So this is why it's so important to know other people's opinions too. It's not always necessary that you are always right. No, we are not. We are going to be wrong at many places in our life, many situations in our life. So you need to understand that having opinion and being an opinionated person is a good thing, but sometimes you need to shift that thing. And how that shift happens? When you go out, when you go to events, when you go to new places, you meet new people, you do networking. And networking in this age is so important. You think that you are going to isolate yourself, stay and stuck in your room, and you will grow? Well, there are not much chances that you will grow like that. So go out, have fun, meet new people. It's always exciting to meet new people. And when you go out, you find things which you didn't even knew that you were interested in. There are many things जो आपको जब आप बाहर जाओगे तभी पता चलेगी. Look, कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है जब तक आप उनको ट्राई नहीं करोगे तब तक आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है क्या नहीं. अब जैसे कि आपके सामने 10 डिशेस रखी है. अब जब आप 10 को ट्राई करोगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि मुझे ये खाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है और मुझे ये वाला नहीं लग रहा है. Same as life and situations and opinions and options. So when you go out, you are forced to put yourself into different situations, different scenarios, or maybe different hobbies. Maybe you go out for a dance class, then other day you go out for a yoga class, and then other day you're going for a tennis or golf class. So now you are going to find your passion. Maybe when you go out, you are most likely to find what you are most interested in, and then you can pursue that. And ये हुआ कैसे? जब आप अपने घर से निकले, right? When you got out of your room and just not there sitting in your room. I know it's so ironical when I'm saying this sitting on my bed, but ये lighting सबसे अच्छी है. This is the best spot in my room, so that's why I make videos here. But yeah, Go out and have fun, and you will find new perspectives, opinions, and hobbies and passion for your life, the drive. Maybe you just like to explore countries. Maybe you are a born traveler, but तुम्हें अभी तक ये नहीं पता because तुमने try ही नहीं किया. You are just like sitting there in your room and thinking what world may look like. You know what? World is a beautiful place. When you find your people, your type of people, then you can actually achieve so much. And इस चीज़ की भी बात ना करें कि हर चीज़ सक्सेस एंड अचीव करना ही थोड़ी होता है. सो या हर चीज़ सक्सेस नहीं होती है, बट आई थिंक हैप्पीनेस तो होती होगी ना, राइट? हैप्पीनेस इज अ बिग पॉइंट इन लाइफ. ट्राई वन थिंग. यू आर स्टक इन योर रूम द होल डे एंड आपको बहुत ही डिप्रेशन हो रहा है. यू आर हैविंग useless thoughts and it's getting so depressing for you. Go to your terrace, walk for half an hour, and you will be good to go. Your mind will work faster, more efficiently, and it will be like you are born again. Seriously, that's what nature do. That's what walking do to you. That's what fresh air do to your brain. It literally clears all the trash you have in your brain. So go out. Go out. Literally, like, what more can I say in this going out thing? You need to go out. I need to go out. Everyone need to go out. So that they can find themselves and come back home happier, healthier, with new opinions, new perspectives, which is so important, right? Otherwise, what we are in this lifetime, we are just robots basically. If we don't have experiences, if we are not meeting people, if we are not finding what we are passionate about, yeah. So let's just become our best self, right? I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.